Hi, I'm Michael,
Andrew.
and we're going to open some
Pokemon
Japanese
version.
Pokemon cards. So, nabili namin siya sa Green Gate Hobbies sa may Cubao. Ito is Shrouded Fable. Ito is Temporal Forces.
This might be also Temporal Forces. It's Roaring Moon.
I don't think it's
It looks like Temporal Forces. Look, there's
sigurado ka?
look all ancient.
Iba to eh. Siguro check natin to be sure. I-try natin wait lang po. Wait. Anong gagawin natin? Google Lens.
Google.
Lens. Hindi.
Google Lens.
Translate. Ito. Picture.
That is
Gumagawa.
Shrouded Fables. Look
Alam
at
ko
the
Shrouded
monkey.
Fables na pero nangyari ito pala. What happened? Nangyari. Ito pala. Ayaw. Walang internet kasi. Pambihira naman. Ay,
Wala na yan. Open na yung
Anyway, ito lang hindi ko alam. Pero alam ko ito, Temporal Forces to because nakikita nyo naman si mahabang leeg.
Yung Roaring Moon.
Ito naman
ancient
is
din.
Shrouded Fables. So, hindi, iba to. Sige, subukan natin buksan muna to. This is just 5 packs.
Only 5 bucks.
Tingnan natin nung nakuha natin.
So thin.
Okay. So, ano tawag mo dyan, Andre?
Could I see?
Japanese yan eh.
I don't know. Sabi Uy, we got this.
Electric to ah. Ba't naging lift type siya? Electric to. Houndoom, to kilala ko. And, ay, meron pa pala. Yan. And,
Wait, look at behind. Look at the behind.
yeah, Japanese card siya.
Phoenix.
Oh, ako na magbubukas. Sige, gunting to. Nabili namin siya nung nag-ikot-ikot kami sa Cubao. Nakita namin nga may hobby shop doon and we tried to went there to buy.
Look, I found a donkey. Donkey? Here. Okay, I know this dude, but I don't know what's his name. Owl. Okay. Pretty sure it's a grass.
Knock-owl. Knock-owl to eh. Paano to?
How is this a fighting type? This should be a fire type.
No, fighting type talaga yan. Yun lang. Wala tayong rare? Walang rare? Oh my gulay. Walang rare. Puro common, uncommon lang. 5 cards, Japanese. Ito ba talaga Japanese eh? Kanina, meron ba? Uncommon. Ay, wala nga ano. Nawi kaya to? Tingnan natin to.
Could I be the one to hold it again?
Oh. Wala man lang rare. Or kahit isang hit lang.
Rock.
Rock.
This. Psychic type.
SP. Sun Scarlet and Violet era pa daw.
Crab.
Hindi mo. Anong last card?
I don't know. Sige nga. Brook Yang.
Wala tayong hit.
Peke ba to?
You know, not fake, pero Japanese card should have more. I mean,
Why is it only 5 cards?
so walang rare.
Sure, that's not a real card. It's not 10.
Iba Japanese card eh. So anyway, walang hit. We pay 100 each dun sa Green Gate Hobbies. Sabi na dapat we should keep it sealed na lang eh. Pero wala. Yan, binuksan namin. Yan. Oh, may SR nga oh. May rare talaga. May rare siya. Tapos may double rare. May alternate art. May super rare. Tapos may SAR. But unfortunately, wala tayong nakuha kahit isa throughout the 3 sets ng Japanese card natin. But I think this is our first Japanese card opening, Pokemon opening. So,
In One Piece, we open Japanese.
Pokemon. So anyway, yan ang nangyari. Wala kaming hits. So, that's life. So, on to the next hunt. Wala pa rin kami makita ng Destin Rivals. Ubus pa rin talaga palagi. Anyway, I'm Michael. And we just opened some
Japanese Pokemon cards.
Alright, bye-bye.